Weather conditions at 5 a.m. Edmonton City.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations. Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Weather conditions at 6 a.m. Edmonton City, temperature 15, wind north-northeast 2 kilometers per hour, relative humidity 97%, barometric pressure 100.6 kilopascals and falling. Edmonton International, partly cloudy 12, wind north 2 kilometers per hour, relative humidity 100%. Namao, sunny 13, wind west 4, relative humidity 100%. Forecast for the city of Edmonton, St. Albert, and Sherwood Park for today, cloudy. 60% chance of showers this morning with risk of a thunderstorm. Clearing this afternoon. High 26, humidex 29, UV index 8 or very high. For tonight, increasing cloudiness. Showers beginning overnight. Low 16. For Thursday, showers. Risk of a thunderstorm in the afternoon. Wind becoming northwest 20 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. High 21, UV index 3.